Okay, there's the culprit right there. I don't know if you can see it from this angle or not, but that connector is mounted crooked. If you look at it on the bottom of the board here, you see that third hole right there? There should be a pin sticking through it like that first one. But you notice over here, you can't see it. So if I push down on the connector, I get sound. When I turn it loose, I lose sound. It's because this pin is not coming all the way through the PC board. When I push down on it, it's touching the solder on the back of this hole and giving me sound. It probably got bounced around on the way over there, and that's what made it obvious. And you wanting to put it in a Jeep, that ain't no good. So I'm going to take this out, remount it correctly, put a little hot glue on the one that plugs into it, and put it back together. You can tell from this angle that it's mounted crooked. You can clearly see that pin now since I removed the solder off the top of it. See, it don't come all the way through the board. I'm about to fix that. Okay, so apparently they cut the leads off too short on that other connector, because even when I unsoldered it and tried to push it through, I didn't have enough sticking out on the other side. So I have replaced that connector with a new one. Okay, so when I plug this guy back in, we'll have good connection all the way through the board. I'm going to put a little bit of, so you notice I put a little bit of hot glue to hold that in place while I soldered it. Now I'm going to put some on this connector once I plug that guy in to keep him from coming undone. And then I can put the power connector and hook the wires back up and all that business. Okay, got it plugged in, got some hot glue on both it and the speaker connector. So you shouldn't have any more trouble.